Okay, let's talk about more advanced settings in timeline. I want to import some media here, for example, images, audio, anything that you need, and open. Okay, I drag and drop our media here. Zoom out a little bit, and another media here. You can see this in video, and we cannot extend that. Okay, we have some thing there. Okay, let's talk about right click on them and see what happened. There are more advanced setting here. Right click on tracks. The right click on the tracks, you can insert a track about this track that you right click on them. Insert a track above. You can see it add a track at the above of that. Or insert a track below of that. You can see it insert a track below that. For better seeing that, it's better to, for example, add some images at the above and below. And for example, you want to insert some media in between them. You can right click and insert a track above. You can see above this track we have inserted track, and you can add more media above of that. You can see this image because it's above all of them. You can see them, but you can resize it. But in this image, because it's below this video, you cannot see that. So be careful about the above and below. If you right click, you can move a track up, you can move a track down, you can remove that track, you can remove all empty track. Boom, you can see all empty, just we have 3 tracks you can input, or you can add some track here if you need. It's better. And right click, you can rename the track. For example, images, you can write images here and do a bit more organized things. You can right click on that. Turn off track, solo track. These are it. Magnetic track, or lock, or changing the visibility of that. These are this. Minimize or maximize. Another thing that you want, for example, you have a lot of tracks and you want to see just this track. If you hit that, you can see just exactly remove from the view of this track. But if you holding Alt and click on that, you can see it's solo of this track. All of tracks are turned off and you can see just this. So instead of click, holding Alt, you can see it, tooltip tells you Alt click, it's a solo. If you right click, you can enable solo track here, lock it, or magnetic track here. Detach timeline, you can see if you have 2 monitor, you can detach your timeline. And again, from here, where was that? It's a timeline. From here, right click and attach timeline at this position again. Okay, this is a right click of, but if I right click here, placeholder, I will explain it later. Again, all of its tools are there. But if I right click on the media on the timeline, again, we have cut, copy, duplicate, delete that. Ripple delete is interesting. For example, I want to cut. You have a lots of track here. If you delete them manually, you can select it. You can split here. Then I click here. Don't again select that. You see, you have to select it and split it. I want to delete this part, delete that, and I have to select all of them and again snap to them. Another better way is ripple delete. Right click, we have delete, just delete it. But if you right click and ripple delete, it will be automatic delete that and snap all of these tracks back from snap it together also. Okay, again, right click, hide properties. You can hide the properties of here. It's important selecting the bin. For example, you want to see this image where is in this media bin. You have to select it in media bin. You can see it's there. We have some properties here. You can copy properties and then paste it, copy effects from here and then paste it. I will show you later. You can add a label, for example, a red. You can see, to better see that label, you can right click, add a red label to organize it. You can see it's better and organized. You can add a label. Another interesting thing is a group. You can group your things. For example, you can select, click and drag and right click and group them. You can see we are in a group, and if you want to edit it, another tab will be open. That's in this part of the timeline. These are the groups of our image. We will show you more about that, and then you can right click and ungroup that. And editing audio it, I will show you later. Separate audio and video, it's very important. For example, we have in the media, for example, we have some footage. For example, open this and click and drag it here. You can see I think it does not have any video. For example, our logo TC. You can see it has an it's logo and video and audio both in one group. If you want to separate it, you can right click and separate audio and video. You can see this is your audio and this is your video, and you can separately edit it. For edit audio level, if you select on audio, it's automatically you can drag and drop audio level in your media. If you right click, and you can see because the audio and video are in one group or place, you cannot edit it. You can have to right click, and again another setting is edit audio. If you select edit audio, you can edit all of audio. Just you can turn the level of the audio down or up. Okay, you can change the level of your audio here. I will show you more, don't worry. So you can separate, you can restore audio after selection. Okay, another thing, we have audio point. It's very nice. For example, let's bring another media that has an sound. We can see in our project, where was that? Yeah, this media that I import, it has audio in that. Then you can right click, and we want to, for example, change the audio level. Okay, it's better to right click and separate or edit audio. For example, from this part I want to have full level, and after that I want to minimize our level of sound. Oh, I think it's better to separate audio. Bring it down a little. This is our audio. You can select it. Double click on it. It's at a point. Another double click is at another point, and if you turn it down, you can see we have 2 points and the audio going down to lower level. For example, in this part, we want to higher level of audio and down. I will show you more. Just so I want to select what is, I will tell you what is audio point. At the clip speed, you can change the clip speed. It's in the visual effect. Here, I will show you later. Update media is very important. For example, you have a logo, everything matched together, and you want to just replace it with another thing. You can very easily replace update media. You can select it and tells you which media do you want to replace on it. And okay, it tells you, okay, this is on your project. You have to replace it with. I will show you more, don't worry. Place order later, add to library. You can add your video under library. Okay, this is an all settings in timeline.